Wake up and take back your life. Stop allowing people to manipulate you and reclaim your power. Manipulation is something that's been going on around the world forever. It's been going on long before I was born, long before you were born. However, if you don't take responsibility for what it is that you do, the parts that you play in it, then guess what? You're always going to be a victim. Understand that there's nobody in Mexico that's going to take your job. There's nobody that's going to change your life. A lot of the problems that we have come because of the fact that we've been brainwashed. We've allowed people that we, again, at one point know, like, and trust, that have given us misinformation. And that misinformation has led us to the insanity that we're experiencing today. So there comes a point when every person must stop. And what must you stop doing? You must stop allowing other people to manipulate you and stop taking information that doesn't serve you, information that doesn't do anything to move you where you need to be or to help you reach your goals or find success. So again, there comes a point when every person must stop and look in the mirror and ask yourself the hard questions. Am I truly living or just existing in a world shaped by others? Again, very powerful thing. We live in a world that is loud, fast, full of influences. Everywhere you turn, someone is trying to sell you sell you their thoughts, a belief, a distraction, or a lie. So it is easy to be pulled in different directions. To see and follow the crowd, to point fingers when things go wrong. But here's the truth. The real truth is that it's up to you what happens in your life. The world that we live in, you helped shape by your actions or your inactions. And if you want to change it, that means you have to start taking responsibility. Not tomorrow, but you need to start taking responsibility today. The trap of manipulation isn't always obvious. It can sound like comfort. It's not your fault. You can't do anything about it. Well, let someone else handle it. Well, you can do that, but that means that that other person has control and you've given it to them. But this kind of thinking also strips you of your power. It puts your life in the hands of some other, and that convinces you that you are the victim. Most of the time, you're not the victim. Okay, a lot of you, believe it or not, you started on second or third base. All right, a lot of us didn't. Some of us never even got in the field. Some of us not even in the same town, but they're able to find a way to succeed. But right now, all bets are off. So anyway, here's the reality. The world is real. It is happening with or without you participation or participating or your participation. And every single time that you choose not to take responsibility, you give someone else the keys to your future. That should scare the heck out of you. Look around you. Look at our political arena right now, especially if you're in the United States. Some of these guys or some of these ladies, they're clowns. All right? It's a shit show right now. So do you want that type of person controlling and making decisions for you? And then for the ones that you've already put in office or that you've put in power, are you holding them responsible? You put them in power, or you allowed them to be in power, whether, again, you participated in the election or you didn't participate in the election, whether you're holding your representative accountable or you're not holding your representative accountable. You need to take responsibility. Blaming others, again, may feel good in the moment, but it is a dead end. It keeps you stuck. It gives you and gives away it gives away all of your energy, your strength, and your future. And you're giving it away for free. You're not even getting anything in return, nothing that you want. So don't give your future away for free. You choose to rescue yourself. That's a choice. You need to choose to rescue yourself. Your survival depends on this. And it's pretty simple and to the point. Your survival is mental, it's physical, it's spiritual, and it depends on one thing. You taking back your life. All right? Right now, you're about to lose everything. Why? Because you're not taking back control. You're blaming someone else for whatever's going on in your life. However, who else's responsibility is it? Who else knew that you were trying to do whatever you were trying to do, or that you weren't doing what you needed to do or was supposed to do? So again, it's totally up to you to take responsibility for your life, but you keep waiting for someone else to give it back to you. So again, taking back control of your life is the one thing, and not tomorrow, not next week, actually right freaking now. You need to take responsibility for what's going on in your world. Again, stop being played. Stop looking at this like somebody again else is going to fix it. All right? You were born with a purpose. You are not a mistake. You are not powerless. You are not here to be a puppet in someone else's game. So your path forward is, again, for you to take action and take responsibility. So again, that path forward starts with you. Own your role. Accept that you are the co-creator of your life, good, bad, and or indifference, and everything in between. That's not weakness, you admitting that you made a mistake or that you had an error. That's you making a corrective action. If you're going the wrong way on a road, just because you thought that was the right way, do you continue down that road, which takes you further and further away from your goal, further and further away from where your destination, where you wanted to get? No, you turn around, you make a correction. You cuss the GPS or whatever sent you in the wrong way, and you make a correction. Why people won't do that right now with all the crazy things that are going on in their lives, I have no idea. But that, again, like I said, is a weakness. You not taking responsibility is a weakness, and it's a weakness in you. That freedom that you need is for you to take responsibility and to do the things that you need to do. And not just you, me too. For us to take responsibility, for us to take action, for us to make our voices heard, and also to back that up with action. If you help to build it, then you can help change it. All right? It's really that simple. So turn off the noise. Limit the time that you spend absorbing outside influences. And in some cases, remove a lot of those inside influences. That circle doesn't serve you. It doesn't serve themselves. Being right is overrated if in the end you're still wrong. So the influences like the news, social media, negative people, step away and turn them off. So step away and turn into you. Look at what you need to do to get you where you need to get. Next, you need to act with purpose. Stop waiting for permission to live your life. Take one step, no matter how small, towards the life that you want every single day. You were born to be an individual, not a follower. You were born to be an individual, not a follower. Not a victim, not a product of other people's opinions and or agenda. That's the other thing. When somebody tells you something, what's their agenda? And is it going to serve you and not just serve them? This is your life, your story. Own it, write it, live it with truth, with strength, and with responsibility. You can fix everything in the world. You can't fix everything in the world. All right. But you can fix your world. And that is where the real power begins. As I said before, we could all live happy, beautiful lives, but we're always worried about what somebody else has, what somebody else doesn't have. And then a lot of times what those people or what you think they have, it's not what they have. Okay? It's window dressing. It's cosmetics. It's makeup. All right? So sometimes you need to look at yourself, take the makeup off, take the garter thing off, all right? And do what you need to do to improve yourself, your life. It starts with you. You can't fix, all right, the person next to you until you fix you. You can't fix the town you live in until you fix you. You can't fix the county you live in until you fix you. You can't fix the state you live in until you fix you. You can't fix the world until you fix you. But it needs to start with you. This is Mr. Z Inspires. I hope that this helped some people, and please share this one, because this is truly a message that I think everybody needs to hear. All right, going down the wrong road is never going to get you where you want to be. Blaming somebody else for the fact that you didn't put oil in your car and now your engine's seized, that's on you. And the price is on you, and the bill is coming to you, and the responsibility, well, that was already yours. Again, what is it that you want out of your life, and what are you willing to do to get those things, to have that success, to move yourself forward? Again, please like, share, and follow. Take care. Be well.